Muffins! Welcome to my kitchen and thank you so much for tuning in. I was really under the weather last week, so I wasn't able to get a video out for you guys. So this week I'll be sharing 2 new videos. The first video I'll be sharing with you guys is of my cream cheese frosting. This is my husband's favorite frosting that I make. Literally his favorite. If it were up to him, I would cover everything in cream cheese frosting. Everything. It's the perfect topping for carrot cake, cinnamon buns, red velvet cake, and so much more. If you guys want to see how I make my cream cheese frosting, then please stay tuned.
You will need 2 sticks of unsalted, softened butter, 2 blocks or 16 ounces of softened cream cheese, 2 pounds of sifted powdered sugar, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Place your softened butter in a mixing bowl and whisk on high for 2 to 3 minutes. Once your butter looks light and fluffy and 2 to 3 minutes are up, turn off your mixer, scrape down the sides and bottom of your bowl, add in your cream cheese, and whisk on high for another 2 to 3 minutes. After your 3 minutes are up, turn your mixer off once again, add in half of your powdered sugar, and turn your mixer back on low speed and gradually increase the speed until it's back on high. This will keep you from having your entire kitchen coated in powdered sugar. Once your first half of powdered sugar is mixed in well enough, turn off your mixer and add in your last half of powdered sugar. Mix again on low speed, gradually increasing all the way up to high speed. Add in your vanilla extract and keep on mixing. Turn off your mixer, scrape down the sides of the bowl one last time, and mix again. After another minute or so of mixing, you should be left with this delicious cream cheese frosting. It's the perfect ratio of sweet and tangy.
That's my recipe for my easy and delicious cream cheese frosting. The full list of ingredients can be found down below in the description box and of course on the blog at karrahgermain.com. Please try it out and let me know what you think. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it for you. If you did, then please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment down below so I know you watched. And don't forget to subscribe for more recipes and tutorials. I love you guys so much. Thanks again for watching. And as always, stay sweet.